One of the biggest things about getting a brand new 2026 Tesla is you want good floor mats for it. And the floor mats that come with it are basic carpeted floor mats, which don't always do the job. And I know whenever I've gotten a new Tesla, I'm always looking to get all-weather floor mats, and that's where Tread Auto comes in. And in today's video, I have the Michelin floor mats, which Tread Auto was kind enough to send them to me to review, but they didn't give me any requirements on what to say, so I'm really going to give it an honest review. So far, since I got my Tesla last year in September, I've been using all-weather floor mats that I picked up on Amazon that were relatively cheap. So it's going to be nice to upgrade to these really nice Michelin floor mats and to check them out and see if they're worth it. Okay, guys, so here we are right off the bat. Here is the box. I just cut it open on top. And right away, one of the really nice things is it comes in this really nice bag that actually has the Michelin brand on it. I wasn't expecting that when I got my cheap Amazon ones. They were, just in a really basic box, just covered in plastic, but this actually came in a nice bag. So let's see what we got in here. So first thing is first, we've got our back seat, floor mat, and then we've got, slipped out of the plastic, but then we got our front passenger and front driver seat floor mats. Now, right off the bat, I did expect them to be a little bit more heavy duty feeling. These are definitely more like rubbery feeling. I mean, that's okay. It's kind of good too, that it's more rubbery feeling. And we've got this little lip right here. And they actually explained to me that this gets tucked under your door sill right along the bottom. And that allows you to have more protection for that carpeted area. So I'll show you what that looks like too once it's installed. So one thing I wanted to point out is there's these little circles, 1, 2, 3, 4. And apparently if we flip this over, those little circles go into like retention points according to the instructions. They're also on the front passenger and driver ones too. And I actually have the chair pushing that down just to try to flatten it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the back seat one first since it's the most flat already. And we'll start with this. What we're going to do is we're going to move this front seats here forward so that we can install our back seat one. And also just a little fun fact, I never took the original carpeted ones out when I took delivery of my Model Y a year ago. So these are the original carpet ones that were under my all-weather floor mats from Amazon. So I'm gonna, I think, take these out too, finally, and just put in the Michelin ones. So I just took out the original carpeted mat, and I'm noticing there's no circular retention points like what I'm seeing on the Michelin floor mat. So I'm actually gonna go to the front here. Well, actually I moved the seat up, so we're gonna wait on that. I'm just gonna put in the Michelin ones right now and see how they look in the back. All right, guys, here it is, the Michelin back seat floor mat installed. It's got a nice snug fit. This little lip right here is not perfect, but that's okay. Otherwise, it looks really good back here, and I'm happy with how it looks. I like the nice deep grooves to catch stuff. It's definitely a nice upgrade from what I had, and I'm excited to install the front ones now. So we'll start with the passenger side. We'll move the passenger seat back. Here's the original Amazon one. I mean, these weren't bad. They fit pretty snug. They did the job, but I definitely think the Michelin ones look nicer, so I'm excited to get that installed. So same deal here. I left the carpet in. I'm not seeing those retention points that it was talking about that I thought that my car would have. I'm gonna look at the instructions again. Okay, so here's the instructions. Move the seat and then locate the factory retention points, align and secure. I'm just not seeing that on my car. It's weird. Align the mats with the vehicle's floor contours. Press the mats firmly onto the factory retention points until fully secured. Smooth and press along the edges to ensure a snug, secure fit. Check that the mats do not interfere with the pedals or seat movement. I don't think my Model Y has those retention points. I wonder if that is in the 2026 build Model Ys, because mine is a 2026 model, but it was built in September of 2025. So I don't know. Yeah, no retention points here, just rug. So let's see, like this. Really like how it has this piece that goes under the seat a little bit. My other one didn't have that, so that I'll catch even more debris. And then this is the lip that they were talking about that goes under this. So this might be a two-hand thing, so I'm gonna play with this and see if I can get this to go under that lip. All right, so there we are. It's fully installed now, and I got this to tuck under that lip. That is really nice. It just creates a nice flow here to catch extra debris, to get it to fall into this pan here, or into the floor mat, you know what I meant, into this area. So it's nice to have that lip. I actually really like that. It looks really good. Again, love that it goes under the seat a little bit. Last but not least, the driver's seat. So we're going to move the driver's seat all the way back, and I'm going to get the driver's side floor mat installed. So pretty much will probably be the same as the passenger side. As you can see, my old floor mat stops right here. No lip. And if I take this out, I'm going to take this out and the carpet and see if there's the retention points on the driver's side here. All right, let's see. No retention points. So that must be like a new Tesla thing. I don't know. I mean, this is a new Tesla. I got this in September, less than a year ago at the point of recording this, but there's no retention points. And just so you know, it is 110 degrees today. As you can see, I'm dripping in sweat and my phone is overheating. It lets me record for like 30 seconds out there, and then it just shuts off the recording and locks the screen. So yeah, if you don't believe me, look how much sweat I'm covered in right now. All right, so here we go. I got the last floor mat. I'll get it in place and then we'll tuck it under that lip. Okay, so here we go. I am having trouble getting the lip up on this side, and I got it tucked under there. So I found this little wedge tool that I had from when I put on my screen protector, and I'm gonna use this to wedge up that lip. It's a little bit difficult on the driver's side, more than it was on the passenger side for some reason. All right, and I got it. I just lifted it up with this wedge and then pushed it under and into place, and there it is, installed on the driver's side. I didn't wait the 24 hours, so it's not sitting totally flush. I just wanted to get this installed since this is the day that I had to do this review. And I figured it'll have some time to sit in the car here. With time, it'll definitely get smooth, because my other cheaper Amazon ones, they were also wrinkled when I first installed them, and over time, they just flatten out. They sit flush, so I'm not worried about that. So there we go. We've got the driver's side installed. We've got the back seat installed, which I moved the seats back so it's not as full of a view. And then we got our front passenger side installed. So there it is. Thank you, Tread Auto, for sending these out to me. They look absolutely great in here. I'm excited to use them over time, and maybe I'll do like a follow-up YouTube short just to cover my longer term experience with these. But in the short term here, they look great. I mean, they're pretty straightforward. They're floor mats for your Tesla. So there you have it, guys. That was the Michelin floor mats sent to me by Tread Auto here for the 2026 Model Y. If you want to pick up your own, definitely use my referral link that's in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.